Time now for Toronto Together, and a program that teaches kids about business and finance is now showing how to give back during the pandemic.
A group of young people recently released a cookbook to help Canadians struggling with their mental health. CTV's Lindsay Morrison reports.
Max Hertzeg is only 12 years old, but he already has a signature recipe.
So I make these crepes for my family, and they all love it, so I decided that I should put that in the cookbook.
That cookbook was put together by Hertzeg and a group of 16 other kids from across Canada through Explorer Hop's Young Entrepreneurs program.
Kids Cooking Madness is a project that's very close to my heart as well. And this happened right in the middle of the pandemic. What they decided is that all of them would go back and ask their families for recipes, and they would put together this book. Now, all of them are published authors on Amazon.
The program teaches young people how to create an idea, take it to market, sell the product, and then donate money to a charity of their choice.
We came up with the Mental Health Association because during COVID, times can be hard.
I really want to acknowledge and celebrate the Explorer Hop team and being able to contribute to something that was meaningful and exciting and fun for them. And that's really what we want our kids to experience always, but especially during this pandemic.
A creative endeavor from the kitchen.
We really are kind of raising almost the bar when it comes to not only entrepreneurship, but also giving back and being part of a society.
Teaching kids how to give back during a difficult time.
This is a wonderful initiative that is making a difference.
I feel very fortunate that I get a nice family that will support ourselves during COVID, but I know that other families do not. So to support them, even just a little amount, is always helpful.
Lindsay Morrison, CTV News.